Back when we first started hearing about the pandemic and that first week when it felt like the world just shut down, we realized very quickly that the work that we do here can't stop. So when all of the essential employees like nurses and doctors continued to go to work because they had to in the pandemic, we were in that same boat. Because if we were to stop working, then it would have a ripple effect on on the world.
So we've been on the process of ramping up as quickly as possible, and the majority of those bookings that we're seeing are supporting COVID vaccine manufacturing.
Very early on, making the parts that we do, we're already a part of that vaccine manufacturing industry. Naturally, when COVID came in to play and all of these companies were working towards these vaccines, we were already, a lot of those companies had their eyes on what we do here too.
Here at Saint-Gobain on the vaccine development, we are making the silicone tubing that will feed into the actual vaccine itself. We'll send the tubing out to bigger companies and it'll go into their processes and it'll go into making the product.
So for me, what the event we've got going on today with getting our employees vaccinated, it kind of brings things full circle for us. We start out in the beginning where we make the products that go into the manufacturing of the vaccine. The products that we made here, somewhere along the line actually made the vaccine that we all receive today. So for us, it's really full circle, and again, gives us hope and the opportunity that we're gonna bring our lives back to normal.
We're getting the second dose of the COVID vaccine. They did great. I mean, as always, when you get the shot, they say little poke, but there was nothing. I mean, she did a great job.
My husband's a paramedic, so he deals with it on that aspect, the patients and stuff. I have two young boys. When they say, mom's just a site controller, well, yeah, mom is, but she's also helping to fight, COVID-19. One day, get us all back to normal. His mom gets to save lives too now.
So for us in life sciences, this is kind of the epitome of what we do, right? We all believe in what we do because we help people. We're here to help quality of life and help people around the world. And I think right now we can all say there's nothing more important in defending or defeating against the pandemic. So this for us is a huge priority. We know we play a big part in bringing normalcy back to the world.
It's a good feeling to know that the impact that we have on the community and the world around us is a positive impact.
What it means for me is I haven't been able to see my parents. Well, I haven't been able to give my parents a hug. I have seen them, but from a distance, and with masks on and social distancing, and it's just not the same. I just want to give my mom a hug.